Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the quadratic is in standard form x2 plus bx plus c. This matters because the formula needs a, b, c. Once done, read off a, b, and c carefully. Mistakes here wreck the result. If there are common factors, divide them out to keep numbers small and avoid arithmetic errors. Now you're ready to compute the axis of symmetry using the coefficient values. Perform the arithmetic step by step and keep signs correct. You now compute the x-coordinate of the vertex with x equals b over 2a. This is the only reliable route for a standard quadratic. Make sure to handle negative signs. If b is negative, b becomes positive. Simplify the fraction, but avoid decimal approximations until you need them. Once you have x, double-check by plugging into a calculator or redoing the fraction reduction. Precision here makes the y-value substitution straightforward and prevents propagated errors. You finish by substituting the x value into the quadratic to compute y. Evaluate x2 plus bx plus c exactly and simplify. Do the multiplications and additions in an orderly way. Square the fraction first, then multiply by a, then add bx and c, so you don't lose track. Once you have y, report the vertex as x, y in exact form or a decimal rounded sensibly. If the point looks wrong, recheck the signs of a and b and your arithmetic. Sign errors are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.